another passage. This passage was based on philosophy. This passage has a lot of ideas, which is why, in case you're not comfortable with this particular topic, would have made sense for you to leave this. However, the questions are not that difficult if you can get over your revulsion of reading the passage. Let's look at question number 73. According to the passage, the idea of the hyphen in the nation state serving as an icon for disjuncture happens when a state is formed, usually through some extraordinary circumstance comprising people who share a tradition of something that had already been there. These lead to some of the problems exemplified through the case of Macedonia. All the other options are also very similar to this. However, when we talk about formation of Republic of Yugoslavia, this is not what happened over there. Hence, option B is my correct answer. Let's move to the next question. Question number 74 talks about contested identities. This has been mentioned in paragraph 2, which says contestedness involves those mediating practices between conflict on the one hand and consensus on the other. So if you look at option A and B, they definitely do not agree with the definition in paragraph 2, hence cannot be my correct answer. Similarly, option D can be eliminated because the concept of trop has not really been mentioned in relation to contested, which is why D is also incorrect. Hence, the correct option would be C. Let's look at the next question. The next question is a specific idea question which talks about the culinary symbol Salade Macedone. If you look at this option, this particular thing was invoked to talk about personification of contested identities. Hence, the only option which is correct would be option A. Although option B also talks about personification of the idea, but then it brings in cultural consensus, whereas we were talking about contested identities. Hence, this is an incorrect option and the correct answer would be A. Let's look at the next question. If you look at paragraph 3, it says contested identity requires a semiotic analysis by anthropologists in which icons blah blah blah, the interpretive field. Also in the same paragraph, again as Appadurai noted in the keen semiotic perception and goes on and talk about index of disjunction. Therefore, both the anthropologist researching socio-cultural symbols, which is statement B, and the linguist looking for meaning in words that would help explain a certain context would find semiotic perception a useful trait. Statement A are correct. Hence, the correct answer is B. If you read paragraph 5, you will realize that what they have mentioned is that Macedonia is characterized as an ambiguous region between the east and the west. And they get in the concept of Balkans on one side to implement that. So hence, it is because of this ambiguous nature and non-acceptance by other regions around it, which is given in paragraph 6, tells us that the answer to this problem would be option D.